This Coldwell Banker Bishop Realty property video is presented by Terah Ruiz. Home office? VRBO? Full-time living or summer getaway? You name it. Single-level 1792 square feet manufactured home with 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms and additional 968 square feet permitted site-built add-on that includes a laundry room, extra living space and bedroom with an upstairs area that is a huge open bonus space. The big .30-acre lot nicely nestled in tall pines welcomes you with a fully fenced yard, RV parking, deep 2-car carport and 384 square feet workshop with electricity. Spend your days grilling with friends and family or enjoy your morning coffee as the elk meander the yard on the large front porch. Cute neighborhood and no HOA. This is a lot of house for the price. Come check it out. Open house Saturday, February 15th from 11 a.m. to 2 p.m. Call Listing Agent Terah Ruiz at 602-568-9111 with any questions. For more information, review the details below or contact Terah Ruiz at 602-568-9111.